Hi, my name's Chris and I make knives. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use 550 paracord and tie it onto the back of your knife as a lanyard. So I'm going to put a lanyard on the back of the knife. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this 550 paracord on an angle, just like that. And then I'm going to melt that with just a lighter. I'm not going to touch the flame. I'm just going to get real close to the flame, let it mushroom, and take 3 fingers and pull it round. So you get like a melted core without browning the sheath. Then I'm going to pull out 24 inches, and I'm going to cut my paracord 24 inches. So like that. A little bit more. You don't touch the flame, don't put it in the flame, just get it close. There you go. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it up. I'm going to twist that up. And this is going to allow me to push this through the lanyard hole. This is the lanyard hole. The next thing I need is a way to hold my knife. And to do that, I'm going to use this quick clamp. We're going to put the knife on the spine. You need to secure your knife. Now you can see I have 2 equal lengths of paracord. It's story time. This story is about the snake that lives at the hole number 6. You have the right hand side of this street, that's where the snake is. This is your snake. And on the left hand side of the street, you have hole number 6. So I'm going to make the number 6 like this. I'm going to pinch it right here with these fingers and not let go. This end is my snake. The snake goes down the hole and slithers underneath the root, coming outside the hole. He goes back down the hole, and there you go. This is your snake knot. There is the right hand side of the street, that's where the snake is. And he lives on the left hand side of the street at hole number 6. So I'm going to make the number 6. And you always want to go underneath. Make your number 6 like this. Remember, the snake lives on the left hand side of the street at hole number 6. So I'm going to pinch that, and the snake's going to go down the hole. The snake only goes down the hole. He never comes up the hole. Only down. Always down. So the snake goes down the hole. He slides underneath the root. He's now outside his hole. He is going to go down the hole again. This one. There's your snake knot. Take your time. Keep it flat. Work it up close to the back of the knife. Now you'll notice the snake is again on the right hand side of the street. He lives at hole number 6 on the left hand side of the street. And the 6, you always make it by going underneath. Pinch that. Your snake goes down the hole. He slides underneath the root. He's now outside the hole. The snake goes back down the hole again. There's your snake knot. Take your time. Work it up. Keep it nice and neat. What you're looking for is over meets under, over meets under. The snake's on the right hand side of the street. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make a hole again. Hole number 6, going underneath. Pinch that. The snake goes down the hole. He slides underneath the root. He's now outside of his hole. He's going to go back down the hole again. There's your snake knot. Take your time. Work it up. Keep the paracord, 550 paracord flat. And there you go. Over, under, over, under, over, under. Now if you wanted to, slide on your bead and then tie some more snake knots. All I have is just this rock that I drilled a hole in. So there you go. There's a very unique looking lanyard, one of a kind. Got a stone on it. My name is Christopher Gillian, and knives are available in my online store. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Remember, the snake lives on the left-hand side of the street at hole number 6.